guys, my name's Sammy and welcome to another vlog on my journeys around Southeast Asia. Now today is quite interesting. So I've been traveling for over 4 months now, so nearly coming up to 5 months. And when I left the UK in November last year, like everyone else, I bought packing cubes to make sure I had everything all concealed into sections so it's easy to get out my rucksack because it's a nightmare digging in. One thing I also done, I made sure that I bought X amount of t-shirts, X amount of shorts. I didn't want to carry too many stuffs. But it's come to a point now where most of my t-shirts have started to fade, started to wear, started to lose shape. And I think it's time to get a refresh. So today I'm going to try and replace most of these items. I try and find the cheapest clothes that still look good, still very simple, but that doesn't cost me a lot of money. So today, that's the challenge. Today I'm going to go shopping in Bangkok, see what I can find. Best deals, the best prices. So let's go to shopping in Bangkok. Come on, let's go. Our first location is the SIAM Square, where you have all these stores on the outside, but then we're going to walk over to the shopping mall, which is what I'm really looking forward to. But let's have a look around, see what this place has got to offer. SIAM Square is a smaller centre to the one I'm going to go to, but it offers things from the markets, more reasonable pricing for clothing, and you got your normal stores like Skechers and obviously Rolex on the outside, like most shopping centres around Europe and especially the UK. But the one I'm going to go to now is special because it's different. This is for I think the very wealthy. Most people go to the SIAM Centre to have more of a reasonable shopping spree, whereas people would come to this one I'm going to go into now to spend a little bit of money. Let me show you. Just walking around this place, I feel like I'm underdressed. This is definitely not my spot. This centre is so bougie. You can buy your own Rolls Royce. Oh my goodness. Wow. That's probably the best part of £500,000. I have never been to a shopping mall where you got all these fancy high-end stores, high-end vehicle stores where you can buy your own car. So you can buy yourself a t-shirt and then order yourself a car. What the hell is that about? No way. Don't worry guys, if you're like me, there's always gonna be a H&M. Some of the jewelry here is so expensive that there's no pricing on the windows, and you can't even take pictures because they're unique or one of a kind. You know you're in a place where you gotta have money to shop because it literally is no one around. And a shopping mall is never empty like this. But the people who walk down these ends are the people who have the money to buy these. And then you see me with my vest top and my shorts. This shopping centre is insane and it is incredible, but a bit out of my league, too bougie, and it's something I can't afford, unfortunately. So let's go somewhere else and see if we can find something. And here we are guys, our next shopping destination for today, MBK Centre. Now this is visited by everyone around the world. It's supposed to hold some of the biggest place for your fake merchandise. So they sell everything from shoes to trainers to watches. But then there's people say it's actually, some of the stuff may be real, but we don't know. But very value for money and a great place to visit. So let's have a look. You can buy these clothes, but there's no refund and there's no change. So if you buy something and you walk out and it's the wrong thing or it doesn't fit or there's something wrong with it, you can't return it. So you're gonna have to deal with it. Yeah, they've got everything nice. From like jewelry to watches to sunglasses, clothes, everything you can think of is here. And some things we probably can afford in our daily lives, but you can get it. They're not real. Wow. Well, let's see if we can find something. How much are your t-shirts?
The t-shirt.
Yeah. 250. Is that anything?
No.
No?
Dry fit is different price.
Okay.
Dry fit is this price.
So 299 for graffiti.
Yeah.
And then 250 if it's plain.
Yeah.
So is this plain?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have something without this, just plain?
No.
No, everything's got something on it.
Yeah, little bit the logo.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, no problem. Thank you.
If you need, come back now.
Yeah, walk around and come back.
Okay.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you. So 250 baht if it's just a simple plain t-shirt. There's a Ralph Lauren t-shirt for 250. But then if you wanted the graffiti or images or printed t-shirts, it's 299. I suppose it's not too bad, but I think that's a bit pricey. Let's have a look. But some of these t-shirts are awesome. Alright guys, one thing I need to get is I want to get some long trousers, right? I don't have any, but I want something that's quite nice and fancy, so I found some here. And I found some shirts. I'm going to try this on, see how this looks. Can I try it on? Yeah. Try a white one.
I have more color now.
Yeah.
Say okay, have more color.
How's that looking, guys? Yeah. Do you have black? Yeah. Yo guys, this looks alright, you know. It's a good set. Right, I'm gonna see if I can try and get a little bit more discount. She's already reduced it once, but I'm gonna see if I can get a little bit more, trying to get a good deal, right? This is pretty good because I've worn my green shirt so much now. I just need something to add on to. I've got no long trousers, so this will be quite a good thing to have like on a daily basis because it's actually quite thin. So even if like on a, I don't know, even if I just want to chill out somewhere or go somewhere nice, I've got some nice trousers, which is good. How much altogether?
Together 500.
500. Yeah. Got a little bit of discount. She's done 450 for both. That's all right. 225 each. Huh?
One more set.
One more set. No.
This one.
Is that for free? Come on. I need t-shirts. T-shirts. You have t-shirts? No t-shirts. No, it's fine.
One more, very nice.
No, wait.
Come back now.
Maybe another time. Does it go?
1, 2, 3.
There you go. So I got it down to. Thank you so much. This lady here. She's not seeing me. So I got that total down to 450. So she started off, I think, about 700 when we initially talked. So I brought it down. It may not be the cheapest, but I was happy to pay that. So it's like in my head, it's 225 per item, which is a good shout. 225 baht. So let's see what else we can find. So for the t-shirts, I think I'm going to hold fire because I'm going to go somewhere else later today, which is going to be mad. So I'll wait till then. Otherwise, one thing I've had a look at is I had a look at Uniqlo and they're selling brand new t-shirts, plain, any color for 190 baht, which is a lot cheaper than out here. But don't get me wrong, the t-shirts here are nice printed and so on, but I don't want that. I just want something simple and plain because I destroy my t-shirts and I wear them all the time. So that's one thing I'm going to hold up. But I'm going to keep looking around, see what else I can see. I'm really happy with my purchase. Really happy. I've been looking for this for ages. I couldn't find them anywhere else. And everywhere else I've been to in my travels, it's just a bit pricey. So let's keep looking. I was looking around and I come all the way downstairs and guys, downstairs is where you need to be if you're going to buy some clothes. There's like a whole bunch of stuff here and it's all fixed price. They won't negotiate any further, but they're priced at a cheap. Well, look at this. 100 baht for some t-shirts and they're printed as well. Wow, 100 baht is like £2 something. There's tracksuit bottoms for like 190 baht. Yeah, this is good. If you guys want clothes and just want some cheap clothes to wear around whilst you're backpacking, something that's not too expensive, come all the way down to the bottom. Yeah, the clothes at the bottom floor is a lot less than they are on the third floor. But keep looking around, guys. One thing I'll tell you is when you're shopping around, don't go to the first store and buy from the first store. Shop around, go to a few stores, see what they charge, go somewhere else, and then negotiate that way. But hopefully that helps you guys to buy the right things for the right price. When you're a backpacker, you can't just start spending money whenever you want to spend it. Gotta be careful, gotta be tight. Just leaving the MBK Centre now. Guys, this place is great. If you're on holiday and you want to buy loads of things for great value, or for souvenirs for friends and family, whoever it is, this is a great place to come. For someone like me who's backpacking and traveling, it's great. It's a great option if I want to get the odd bits or if I want to change my whole outfit, which is good. But I want to keep my options open. Now I found those printed t-shirts which looked fantastic. I'm not gonna lie to you. But my thought plan is I'm gonna wash my t-shirts like every 5 days, and they're gonna fade and so on. So I don't want them to be wrecked quickly. So I'm gonna hold fire on my t-shirts for the time being. So when I'm gonna go somewhere else later today, which is supposed to be the biggest market in all of Southeast Asia. We're gonna head there shortly, and let's see what else we can find. There's so many options in Bangkok, it's insane. So I made it to my final shopping destination for the day, and I've come to Chatuchak market. Now it's a Friday, it's open. Nowhere near as busy as what it would be on a Saturday and Sunday. There's like nearly 200,000 people here. But today it's a good day because there's wholesale market today, so they sell everything for a good price, and you can like bulk buy, which is good. But it's huge. There's about 30,000 stalls here apparently, and they sell everything and anything for a much reasonable price than a lot of other places we've been to.
Yeah, bro, everything.
Everything, yeah?
Yeah, everything, bro. Not everything, something.
Something. You see the shoe place like this, like they got everything in there, like stacked up to it. They'll definitely have your size. I found some cheap deals here. Buy three, only 399 baht. That's so far, that's the cheapest deal I found so far in this market and pretty much throughout the whole day. But we're gonna keep going, see if we can find something else. Alright, I found the cheapest one. These t-shirts and vest tops, 100 baht, which is what I need. This is what I need, guys. This is what I was looking for. Wow. Some of these are slightly more, but let's have a look. Because it's been raining today, it's actually a lot quieter than what it normally is, but it's really nice because it's really cool. But it just means that we can walk around freely and not like barge around people. I'm liking this, guys. Loads of options. What do you guys think? S for Sammy, yeah? More hats to come. Just to let you guys know, this here is James. We met a couple of days ago, so we were shopping. Well, I'm shopping. He's come along with traveling together for today. Why not? So let's see what other hats we can get. How about this one, guys? How's this one looking? All the hats are good, but I'm going to give them a miss. I'm not here for hats. I'm here for just a few t-shirts and maybe one or two shorts, maybe. Or a couple of t-shirts. But I think we found a winner. I think the ones that we saw originally for like 100 baht, I think that's good. But everywhere else is a little bit more. But let's keep on looking around. But for sure, if you guys want to get the best price clothing and trying to keep your costs down, come to Chatuchak market rather than going to BMK, because everything here is a lot cheaper and you don't really have to negotiate because they really are very low in prices. But if you don't want to come here, then BMK has loads of options and loads of things to do. But for me, I think this is a good option to come here to save some money. I'm liking these vest tops. They're like what I'm wearing now, but plain, and that's what I like. So I bought two, guys. I bought a black one and a blue one. 150 baht, guys. So far, so good. Got some vest tops to get some t-shirts. That's what I need. And then that's it, and we're done. And we will replenish at least 50% of what we have in our backpack. So at least we can wear this for the next 4 or 5 months. Happy days, man. Today's been good. Done loads of shopping. James not into shopping.
He's got a new hat.
But he's got a new hat. He's got a cable. He's got a beer.
I'm happy. I'm good.
He's happy, we're happy. A little bit more left to do and then be on our way. But it's raining again. But it's because it's so warm, it's nice and chilled, it's cool. So it's actually not too bad being in the rain.
Yeah, it's nice actually. It's like being in a hot shower almost.
Hot shower, see? Nice. Found a winner, guys. Found this store. And doesn't it look like a little bit like Uniqlo? Like what? It looks like Uniqlo.
Yeah, yeah.
It looks a little bit like Uniqlo.
Yeah.
I found this plain t-shirt. This is what I need for 90 baht, guys. 90 baht. And I got everything: black, white, blue, red. So I'm gonna get a few of these. Let's go. I tried on the large and it was too tight, so I went to XXL and that fitted perfectly. But 90 baht for plain t-shirts, I'm happy with that. So I'm gonna buy 3 different colors. So let's pay for this. On the market, you've got live music. As you can see right behind me, there are restaurants, quite a few of them actually, and there are little bars in the area as well, selling drinks on the side. So you can really make this a big day. Now, with the market, because it's huge, you can't do this in a day, guys. Like, you'll spend 3-4 hours here walking around and around, just trying to find things that you want. So keep that in mind. If you're gonna come here on a Saturday and Sunday, especially, because it's been mega busy, just know it's gonna be hot. It's gonna be busy and you're gonna have to like probably fight your way around. Whereas on a Friday, it's a wholesale day. It's in the evening, it's cooler, you're not sweaty, and there's a lot less people, so it's nice. But that's my opinion. But for the time being, that's my shopping done. Let's go back and see how much I actually spent. Let's go back to the hostel. So back at the hostel, now let me show you what I bought and actually how much it all cost at. So, black trousers. Don't look too bad. A black shirt, 3 t-shirts, and 2 vest tops. That's literally like 50% of my everything that I've got in my rucksack, which is just done then. Everything in my rucksack like pretty much replaced, so I can feel fresh, I can feel good, and I can then wear this for hopefully another 4, maybe 6 months. But guys, the total price, alright, let's add this up. So the 2 vest tops cost me 150 baht. The 3 t-shirts were 90 baht each. And the black shirt and black trousers came to 450 baht. That came to a total of 870 baht, which works out to be £20 and 5 pence. And if I divide that by each item, each item cost me £2.86, so 124 baht or £2.86 each. Guys, that's good going, man. I'm telling you, when I was in the UK, my stuff didn't cost that much per item, so I'm done pretty well, and hopefully this will last me. But you guys watch the video, so if you are gonna come and you wanna do big shopping for friends and family, and you've got the money, go to like BMK or even the super fancy shopping centers if you wish to, or if you like me, backpacker, trying to save some money, trying to get a few items but not too much, I would say go to Chatuchak market if you are in Thailand during the weekend. Give that a go. If not, maybe some of the night markets, they're actually not too bad. Worst case, go to BMK. But that's it, guys. So today is my final day. I'm gonna pack up all my stuff and I'm gonna head out to my next location in Thailand. But stay tuned and see what I get up to. But otherwise, guys, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.